In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move an image or object in front or behind other in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Let's get started by opening your PDF in Acrobat Pro. Once your file is open, head to the top and choose Tools, then select Edit PDF and click Edit. This switches Acrobat into editing mode, which is designed for working with individual elements on the page. You'll usually see bounding boxes appear around images, shapes, or text blocks when they're selected, letting you know what Acrobat recognizes as an object. Next, click the image or object you want to reorder. If your page has several items overlapping, don't worry. This is common in PDFs created from design tools or scans. If the wrong object gets selected at first, simply click again in the same area to cycle through the overlapping items until the correct one highlights. You'll know you have the right object when its bounding box and handles appear. With the object selected, look to the right-hand side of the screen while you're still in Edit PDF mode. In the Objects panel, click Arrange. This is where you control the stacking order, basically, which objects sit in front of or behind others. You'll see 4 options. Bring Forward moves your selected object up one level, placing it just above the item directly in front of it. Send Backward does the opposite, nudging it down one level so it sits just behind the next object in the stack. Bring to Front jumps the selected object all the way to the top, ensuring it appears above everything else. Send to Back pushes it completely behind all other objects on the page. If you're not sure which command to use, try Bring Forward or Send Backward first. These are great for fine-tuning the order one step at a time. When you know you want something fully on top or fully behind, use Bring to Front or Send to Back for a quick result. If the change isn't immediately obvious, zoom in and look for the object's bounding box to confirm the new position. And if something doesn't look right, remember, you can undo the last action. A quick note: some PDFs contain background elements that Acrobat treats as a single piece, and those may not move independently. If an object won't respond, double-check that it's actually selected and recognized as a separate item. That's it. Open the PDF, enter Edit PDF mode, select your object, then use Arrange to set the perfect front-to-back order. Once you get familiar with the stacking logic, organizing complex layouts becomes fast and precise.